What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We just got down here. We're at Thundervalley. It's Sunday. This is 28's Gone Wild. We were supposed to be racing yesterday, but we got rained out, so it gave us a little bit more time to get this thing all fixed up and fired up. Hopefully the new suspension changes are going to work and the car is going to go straight. We'll see how it goes. I got Todd Wester here, Brian, Shannon Young's way down there somewhere, Tumpy's here, number one Stunner is here with his new car. So hopefully we'll have a good crowd. I mean, first round's not till 5 o'clock. It's about 2 o'clock now, so we're a little early. Track should be going hot soon. So hopefully we'll be able to get out there and make some passes, and hopefully this thing will run decent. So, I mean, I don't know if it's going to or not. We're still on slicks. This is a radial prep track. It is what it is. I mean, we had some pro bracket radials at the shop, but we decided not to put those on just because it's a kind of a pain in the butt to get everything swapped over. So we're gonna try it on the slick, so we'll see what happens. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.
Straight down.
It's pretty windy. We got a pretty good headwind. It's a beautiful day though. Chat has been spraying glue like crazy out there. Brian just made a good pass. Went right down. This is feeling really good. You can see all the glue. You can hear my feet. I mean, this is in good shape. I mean, the base is really good. These guys know how to make it work. We're not on radials, we're on our slicks. But I think it'll be okay. I mean, if we're just trying to basically test to see if we can make the car go straight based on what we just done the other night. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna go out there and make a pass real fast. We got a pretty aggressive tune-up in it, but the front end's tied down like it was when we were at Rico last, where we made, you know, the shock changes. We made everything a little bit stiffer. We scaled the car out. Hopefully this thing will go down reasonably fast. We're gonna jack the air pressure up a little bit. It's really sticky out there, so we'll see. Let's go, here we go. All right, guys, so here we go. We're going up for pass number 2. So we made a few changes. Car was still driving left, so we put some anti-roll bar in it. We went to the driver's side anti-roll bar, and we extended it 1 round fully. And we also dropped on the passenger side the coil spring. We dropped it 1 round as well, so that'll put more pressure on the other side when you're looking at the scaling of the car. We're also going to go up to like 16 pounds of air pressure, and stretch the ramp out. So, I mean, it's really sticky. I mean, so, yeah, I don't know if it's going to work or not, but it's still going to leave on 7 pounds of booze. And then the ramp is back out to like 3 seconds instead of, I had it on a second. I had the ramp on 1.8 at a time, I think it was. So it was pretty aggressive. So here we go. We're going to go make another one and try it. All right, so here we go. We made a few changes. That pass, it had wheel speed the whole time. And so the whole pass early in the run, when I let go of the trans brake button, it was basically spinning. And it got on the traction control. And so traction control was pulling out time and dropping cylinders trying to control it. And it had a lot of wheel speed. And so then it finally tried to kind of go, but then it kind of felt stupid. But down track, felt like it was doing okay. It was tracking mostly straight. So I mean, we should have about 8 cars. Yes, might be a 4-car shootout. There's Mr. Charles. What's up, sir? Good seeing you. Brantley. So here we go. All right, so I missed the draw, but I got somebody to draw for me. Brantley drew for me. He drew Brian. So Brantley and Brian drew each other. Hey, that means Brantley's got to race Brian. I don't have to race Brian.
Yeah, where's your junior dragon?
All right, be careful. Mine's spooling about 45 seconds. Be careful. What pair are we? We're just going as third pair? Okay. All right, here we go, guys. We got 8 cars, bunch of hitters. So, I mean, you're going to race them sooner or later. So here we go. First round. was Ira Boost Doctor getting it on the big wheels on the 24s today. So Brian got the wind there. Mine felt like it was peeling. In the car it sounded, and on the videos it sounds like it's just peeling the rubber off of the track and off the tires. Just that. Clearly 28's gone wild. If you hear on a slick, you might be in trouble. I mean, we could have slowed it down. I mean, there's a chance we could have made it go slow, but we ain't here to go slow. Drive shaft speed was out the roof. It was through the moon. So traction control was trying to grab it and pull it back in. Then the tire shook a little bit and I pedaled it. And he got out of shape down there a little bit at the top. So he is, but he is running good. So he's got a better chance to beat these cats anyway. So that's a good thing that he made it through. They got a race at Galot next week. So there again, you'll need to be on radios to be there. And then there's a race here the weekend after. So we got to decide what we're going to do the next couple weeks. We may end up putting those pro bracket radios on it and hitting those couple races. Or we'll find us a back of the track race somewhere and put the other tires on it and go do that. So no, here we go. We're going to stick around and wait until they're down to 4 cars. We only had 8 cars in the shootout. You see, it's a beautiful day out here. Okay, so like anything, I'm hard-headed. So we want to see if we can get this thing down slower. And so what I did is I loosened the front struts up a little bit so that they'll actually have a little bit of travel. And I left them, I'll leave on 6.5 pounds of boost instead of 7.5 pounds of boost. And I stretched the ramp way out to like, basically like one of our no prep races, to where it's got like a 4.5 second ramp. So this ought to go down. If it tries to wheelie, that's okay. I'll just hopefully try to get it down without hurting anything. But the biggest thing, we're just going to see if it goes straight with the wheels up in the air, because we need to make sure this thing's driving right since we're going to be racing it the next few weeks. So here we go. for the win. Brian red lights.